Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily change the product URL in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Shopify and then just click your product and click on your product, and then you just want to scroll down below, scroll, and you're gonna see edit website SEO, and I got a page title, I got a description, and then you will see here URL and handle. So you just want to edit that to whatever you want. You can also create a redirect if you want to. And you can preview the product, and voila, you can see here that is different. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And yeah. Goodbye.